Is suspension damage covered under my car's warranty? Have you ever wondered if suspension damage is covered under your car's warranty? This is a common question for many vehicle owners, and understanding the details can save you money and stress. Let's break it down. First, the coverage for suspension damage largely depends on the type of warranty you have and the cause of the damage. If you have a factory or manufacturer's warranty, it typically covers suspension components only if the damage is due to a defect in materials or workmanship. For example, if a part like shocks or struts fails because of a manufacturing flaw, you may be covered. However, it's important to note that most warranties do not cover suspension damage from normal wear and tear. Suspension parts naturally wear down over time due to road conditions and how you drive. This type of deterioration is usually not included in warranty coverage. Additionally, if your suspension is damaged due to an accident, misuse, or lack of maintenance, that damage is generally excluded from warranty coverage. So, if you hit a pothole and damage your suspension, that would likely not be covered. Now, what about extended warranties? These plans can offer broader coverage for suspension repairs beyond the original factory warranty period. Some extended warranties cover mechanical failures in suspension components for a longer time, sometimes even for the life of the vehicle while you own it. This can help reduce out-of-pocket expenses for repairs on parts like control arms and bushings. From the perspective of auto insurance, if your suspension damage is caused by an accident, theft, or severe weather, it may be covered under comprehensive or collision insurance policies. This means if your suspension is damaged due to an insured event, your auto insurance could help pay for repairs, but this is subject to your deductible and policy limits. It's also worth mentioning that neglecting maintenance or making aftermarket modifications can void warranty coverage for suspension issues. Keeping detailed service and repair records is a smart move. This documentation can support your warranty or insurance claims related to suspension damage. Understanding your specific warranty terms and the details of your insurance policy is essential. This knowledge will help you know exactly what suspension damage is covered and under what circumstances. If you have questions, reaching out to your warranty provider or insurance agent can clarify coverage and assist you with claims related to suspension damage.